Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Cordless Band Saw. The lightest, most compact cordless band saw on the market. Almost half the weight and size of other saws. At 10.25 pounds, this amazing band saw makes overhead work a snap. It has a wide 3¼ inch capacity for cutting up to 2½ inch conduit, 3-inch angle iron, and 3-inch copper. And the built-in LED light lets you see what you're cutting. The tool-free adjustable material guide allows for flush cuts to ceilings and walls. A toolless blade ejection system makes blade changing fast and easy. And this tool is compatible with the Red Lithium Compact or XE high-capacity battery for increased productivity. For superior power and rugged dependability, choose the Milwaukee M18 Cordless Band Saw, powered by Red Lithium.